Hi everyone. Welcome. Today we tackle a common DBeaver issue. It is about SQL Server scripts. Specifically, DBeaver not recognizing your declared variables. This can be frustrating. Let's get straight to the fix. You write a perfect SQL script. You declare a variable. For example, declare at myvar int. Then you set its value. Set at myvar equals 10. Later, you try to use it. Select at myvar. You hit execute in DBeaver. Then you see an error. It says must declare the scalar variable or undeclared variable. But you did declare it. Why is this happening? You know your SQL is correct. This is a DBeaver specific problem. It is related to how DBeaver sends commands to SQL Server. DBeaver sends your SQL script to SQL Server. It often sends it statement by statement, or it breaks it into smaller chunks. This happens even when you expect it to send a whole logical block. Local variables in SQL Server, those declared with declare at variable, have a specific scope. Their scope is strictly limited to the batch in which they are declared. If DBeaver executes declare at myvar int as one batch and then select at myvar as a separate, subsequent batch, the variable at myvar is no longer in scope for the select statement. SQL Server then throws the must declare the scalar variable error. This behavior means DBeaver is implicitly splitting your script into multiple batches where you intend only one. The most common and reliable fix involves how you execute your script in DBeaver. You need to ensure that all lines from the declare statement to the last use of that variable are sent to SQL Server as a single, uninterrupted batch. Here's how to do it. First, identify your variable block. Locate all the lines of code that involve your declared variable. This starts from your declare statement. It includes set statements. It also includes all select, update, insert, or delete statements that use the variable. Second, highlight the entire block. In your DBeaver SQL editor, carefully select all these lines. Make sure every relevant line is highlighted. Do not miss any. Third, execute the selected statement. Instead of using the execute script button, often Ctrl+Shift+E, use the execute statement command. This is usually bound to Ctrl+Enter. When you use Ctrl+Enter with the selection, DBeaver sends only the highlighted text to SQL Server as one complete unit. This forces SQL Server to process it as a single batch. Your variable's scope will then be maintained across all selected statements. This method ensures that your declare, set, and subsequent select or other operations are all part of the same execution batch. This keeps your variable in scope. It resolves the undeclared variable error effectively. Remember, local variables in SQL Server are batch scoped. DBeaver's execution method needs to respect this. By explicitly selecting and executing the block, you enforce this. It's a simple but crucial step for smooth SQL Server development in DBeaver. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this solution helps you with your DBeaver and SQL Server scripts. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Your support helps a lot. See you next time.